Whenever you're given a mixed number multiplied by a number, write it as 995 plus 996 division 995, take it in bracket and then multiply by 995. Now multiply both these terms by 995 individually. This becomes 995 whole square plus 996 divided by 995 into 995. You can easily cancel both the term, and for 995 square or to find any square ending in 5, use this trick. Write 5 square at the end, that is 25, and multiply the remaining number with the next number. In this case 99 is the remaining number. Multiply it with the next number, that is 100. This comes 9900. Simply write it before 25. So the square become 990025. Write this here. 991021 is your final answer.